And now, the nations of the world, brought to you by Yakko Warner.
United States, Canada, Mexico, Panama, Haiti, Jamaica, Peru, Republic Dominican, Cuba, El Salvador too, Colombia, Venezuela, Honduras, Guyana, and still Guatemala, Bolivia, then Argentina, and Ecuador, Chile, Brazil, Costa Rica, Belize, Nicaragua, Bahamas, Tobago, Paraguay, Uruguay, Suriname, and Barbados, and Norway and Sweden and Iceland and Finland and Germany now one piece. Switzerland, Austria, Italy, Turkey and Greece, Poland, Romania, Scotland, Albania, Ireland, Russia, Oman, Bulgaria, Saudi Arabia, Hungary, Cyprus, Iraq and Iran. There's Syria, Lebanon, Israel, Jordan, both Yemen, Kuwait and Bahrain, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, Belgium and Portugal, France, England, Denmark and Spain, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Thailand, Nepal and Bhutan, Malaysia, then Bangladesh, and China, Korea, Japan, Mongolia, Laos, Indonesia, the Philippine Islands, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, New Guinea, and New Zealand, and Vietnam, Tunisia, Morocco, Uganda, Angola, Zimbabwe, Djibouti, Botswana, Mozambique, Zambia, Swaziland, Gambia, Guinea, Algeria, Ghana, Burundi, Lesotho, and Malawi, Togo is gone. Niger, Nigeria, Chad and Liberia, Egypt, Benin and Gabon, Tanzania, Somalia, Kenya and Mali, Sierra Leone and Namibia, Senegal, Libya, Cameroon, Congo, Ethiopia, Guinea-Bissau, Madagascar, Rwanda, Qatar, Crete, Mauritania, then Monaco, Liechtenstein, Malta, and Fiji, Australia, Sudan.